Guys, welcome back to ating Kagala vlog. This is my first vlog in my second trip in Canada. Ay, nandito kami sa what is that? No, Nanomi. Sorry. Nanaimo Island.
No.
Oh, because
Vancouver Island.
Island. So, we enjoy our staycation here. At I don't know what is it. El Rancho Salvador. 533 El Rancho Salvador.
El Rancho Grande.
I know El Rancho Grande, guys. I'm sorry, they're laughing at me. Wala akong pake, basta ako ay nag-vlog.
Hi, guys!
Yan ang aking sponsor. Going here. Hindi pala. Team Crew. Guys, kami ay magdi-dinner. Busy sila sa pag-prepare ng aming food. And we have a nilagang mais. And this other one is sinaing na kanin because rice is life for ating Kagala. And these are the burger patty. And we have a shrimp. And we have a jambalaya. I don't know what is jambalaya. It's like a Mexican food, I think. And this is our cabin. Airbnb daw. It's so nice, guys. So happy here. This is my first vlog again. I hope you watching again my
first vlog after 2 years.
After 2 years, this is my first vlog again in Canada. I hope you enjoy watching. Bye, guys. Love you all. God bless.